We are back again. So we are going to be installing our hard disks in this NVR Hikvision NVR 8 channel or 8 port PoE enabled. So this is the cable for the power, and this is for the cable for the communication between the hard disks and the panel. So this is our 2 terabyte surveillance hard disk. This is what we'll be installing here too. So first thing first, we have to tighten. You have to mount your hard disk on the panel. Let it sit properly. Then from there. So you have to mount your hard disk first. You can see the screws at the back. You mount it to make sure it's sitting well. Make sure the screw is sitting well on it. Do you understand? So when you have the screw, so you can have it. It comes with 4 screws. So you can just put the 4 screws together. So you can see the NVR, the hard disk is mounted now. So you can see it's mounted properly. Do you understand? So now we can proceed in putting our cables. This is the first cable. We put it here. Do you understand? It sits at the right. It has 4 teeth. You put it here. And it clicks. Then this goes, I told you, it powers the device. You do it gently. And it clicks. You see? It clicks. So the second one, you put the cable. Now there's a port here. You check. There's a port here. It goes in. It clicks. And you take it all the way. It clicks. So that's how to install your hard disk. Alright. See you some other time. Thank you.